Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. So as we have started the new series of solving all the 50 SQL lead code problems. So in the previous video we have solved the recyclable and low fat products problem. So in this video we are going to solve find customer referee problem. So let us see what is there in the question. So in this there is one table, that is customer table. There are three columns: ID, data type is integer, name, varchar, referee ID integer. Okay, so in SQL ID, so it is given that ID is the primary key column. So primary key is nothing but it contains all the unique values and do not contain any null values. Now each row of the table indicates the ID of the customer, their name. Yes, it's all given the information of the table. Now what is asked? Find the names of the customer that are either referred by any customer with ID not equals to 2. Okay, the symbol represent not equals. And what is the second is not referred by any customer. Return the table in any order. So let us see the example. There is a in the customer table it is given that ID1 with the name will, refer referee ID is null. So let us look back to our conditions. So the conditions are either it should be referred by any customer with ID is not equals to 2. So either it is referred, it is saying, and either it is not referred by any customer, means if one of the condition will be true, so the name of the customer we have to print. But so here in the first ID, that is will, the referee ID is null, so it is satisfying the second condition, so it will definitely print in the output. Now similar to this it will also print, but let us see the ID is equals to 3, that is Alex, which has the referee ID is equals to 2. But in the question given that referred by any customer, but the ID should not be equals to 2, but here the ID is equals to 2, so it will not print in the output. The null, if null is present, the one second condition is satisfied, so bill will present. Similarly, now see in this the second condition will not satisfy, but the first condition will be satisfied because it is referred and it is not referred by the ID is equals to 2, so Zach will print. And second will not print because the ID is equals to 2 is there and it should not be there as per the question. So let us write the query. So select what column we have to fetch. Name, from table name is customer table, so we will apply the conditions where. Now what conditions will apply? The referred by any customer with ID is not equals to 2, means referee ID should not be equals to 2. So referee ID should not be equals to 2. Then we will apply the or operator. Here we will not apply the and operator because either of the one condition the result should be true. Okay, so that's why the or operator is used here. Then the referee ID. Now here we can't write is equals to not such that in the strings also we can't write. For writing, for checking it is null or not, we should use this is null operator here. Okay, and in the question it is not said any order, any particular order, so we will not write any order. So select name. Okay, so this will be your answer query. Let us run this query. Okay, it is accepted. So if you want more such videos, so subscribe to my channel right now.